How to make group chat on Messenger. So in order for us to get this done, what I want you to do is try to open your Messenger first. And say for example, this is the Messenger that we're going to be working with today. I want you to go ahead and tap the pencil icon here at the top. And then what you're going to do is basically click create a new group, just like so. And then you can just go ahead and select from the people that you have here in this list. Say for example, these right here. And then if you want to add someone else that is not here, what you can do is just click the search button here and then go ahead and try to look for that particular person. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to type this particular account of mine right here. Alright, after seeing the account here, you can just go ahead and select that one, just like so. And you can see that now we have these characters, or we have these accounts right here. Now you can go ahead and click this one here. In order for you to be able to name this one, I'm just going to go ahead and call this one the group chat. There you go, and then tap the create button here at the top. So yep, there you go. We have successfully created a group chat here in Messenger.